Captain Cook at Sheerness. Captain James Cook had completed his first round-the-world voyage with the renowned botanist Sir Joseph Banks, on which he recorded the transit of Venus across the Sun, circumnavigated New Zealand, and charted the east coast of Australia. It was still believed that an as yet undiscovered great southern continent existed in the ocean between Australia and South America, and a second expedition was organised. Captain James Cook was asked to lead the expedition on behalf of the Royal Society, with Joseph Banks leading a team of naturalists and botanists. The ships chosen for this arduous journey were the sloops Resolution, to be commanded by Cook, and Adventure. The Resolution, strongly built as a collier, was only 110 feet long, with a beam of 30 feet. She would be required to carry 118 people, all their scientific equipment and supplies for 2 years. The Resolution sailed from Deptford on April 9, 1772. It was quickly obvious that there was something drastically wrong with the Resolution. She was unwieldy, top-heavy, unseaworthy, and certainly unsuitable for a round-the-world journey. She was in danger of overturning, which made it necessary to put into Sheerness. At Sheerness, the Admiralty immediately engaged 200 carpenters and shipwrights to undertake a second refit at a cost of a further £882 and 3 shillings. Joseph Banks, on visiting Sheerness, was unhappy with his smaller quarters and subsequently refused to travel under the resulting adverse conditions. A letter written in Sheerness by Captain Cook to Joseph Banks. Sir, I received your letter by one of your people, acquainting me that you had ordered everything belonging to you to be removed out of the ship, and desiring my assistance therein. It is signed, James Cook. Sunday, 21st of June 1772. James Cook returns to Sheerness with the astronomer, William Wales, and collects the new K1 marine chronometer assigned to him by the Board of Longitude. Monday, 22nd of June 1772. Cook, on the Resolution, sails from Sheerness on their round-the-world journey. The Resolution was the first ship to cross the Antarctic Circle and put to rest the popular myth of the great southern continent.